Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to analyze a strategy for trading using the Fractal Chaos Bands, and it's really very similar to other band indicators. Let's apply it on the chart first. On Trading View, you should select the indicators button and then search for Fractal Chaos Bands. I will select the first one. If you notice, the Fractal Chaos Bands is not originally on TradingView, and it's a community created indicator, but it's no problem. I've tested this one and it works just fine. And let's set the period to 3. All right. So this is the daily chart, and when you see that the Fractal Chaos Bands are really moving, both of them, I mean, horizontally, it's likely that the price is in a range bound move. And when either one of them, for example the red one, is dropping, it shows a bearish move, and when the green one is rising, it shows a bullish move. All right, so we're on the daily now. Let's show a couple of trades. For example, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. All right, and let's set the period to 1 as it was. Okay, as you can see, the trend has been bearish for most of this day, and okay, but it's Friday, so let's skip and let's get to the next trading week. All right, so this is the Fractal Chaos Bands on the 5-minute time frame for euro dollar. It's now Monday, and let's see how we can trade it. Okay, as you can see, the trend has shifted bullish, and it has been bullish for some time now. We always can expect a reversal when we have one leg and the other leg corrects about 80%. But I'm going to go with the trend for the short term, and the idea is to wait for the price to come back to the lower band and find support, and then enter the position. But remember guys, that the trend should be in your favor, so I'm not going to execute any bearish trade right now, and I'm looking for buys. Okay, so let's skip, and the price is getting supported at lower band, and let's see if I can get a good reaction. All right, okay, this is a good signal, because not only it got supported at the lower band, but also is breaking above and closed above the higher band. So I will set my trade and execute it right away when the candle closes, of course, and put my stop loss under the latest low and target the latest high, or maybe above, for a better risk reward. I personally execute risk reward ratios between 2 and 5. I don't really go for those 8 RR runners or nothing crazy like that, because I prefer to have a higher win rate than a higher average risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, we got stopped out on the first trade. Okay, nothing to worry, we should continue. Okay, it seems like the trend is shifting bearish, but first I want to see that the price closes below these lows before I can call it a market structure shift and a bearish shift. Okay, so it's really close now, and here we go. All right, the trend is bearish now, and we are back in the bands. Okay, but as you can see, the higher band is holding the price. Let's wait one more candle. All right guys, as you can see, the price has been rejected impulsively from the higher band. So I can execute my trade right now and put my entry here. I will enter here and put my stop loss a little bit higher, maybe higher and above this high. Okay, and let's target these lows. So yeah, I think a 2 risk reward ratio is good. So let's see what happens. All right, the market is consolidating and then boom, a really nice drop. Okay, the market is trying to get back. We're break even right now. Let's just extend the position. All right, it's going for our stop loss. And yes, here it is. So as you can see, I really used my market structure knowledge and price action knowledge. You should really remember that when the price shifts and when the trend shifts, it goes from making higher highs and lows, all right, to lower lows and lower highs. All right, so as soon as I witnessed that the price closed below this low, I knew that a bearish reversal is likely to occur, and of course I used the Fractal Chaos Bands for my entry. It was really it wasn't a tight entry, I know, but of course it's a reference point, so it's good to be there. For example, you could have used this one, but of course I don't recommend these early entries into trades, because even though if you will get a better risk reward ratio, but your win probability is much lower, because at this instant in time there was no change in market structure. Okay, so this trade is a winner, and let's move on to the next one. Another thing is that it's better to trade and during London or New York session, all right, in the morning. So my time zone is set to the New York time zone, and as you can see right now it's 5 in the afternoon, so the market has just closed and I will not trade until the next day. And my execution window in the London session is between 2 to 5 a.m. New York time, which will be in the morning in London. All right, and let's set it to blue. Okay, this is the time, and let's drop down to the 5-minute. So the reason that I choose these time zones and these and time periods is because the price really moves in these time frames. It moves a lot more, and it gives us a lot of better trades. Of course, it's really basic knowledge about forex sessions. Okay, and here we go. The session has just started, and as you can see, the trend has been bearish for some time. However, we are getting some recovery vibes here, but if we are really going to recover, I want to see the price to take out these highs and close higher. Okay, so let's go, but let me bring this one higher so we can see the session. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay, the price fails and boom. All right, so this one is a good indication that a bullish trend is going to happen. Okay, so you can either wait for this one to be taken out, these highs, and the price to break above them, but you can also enter right here. But as you can see, the price has just broken above these Fractal Chaos Bands. I want to retrace to them, and of course to the green line. Okay, so let's wait and see when it happens. All right, okay, here the price has got support, and of course it has closed above these highs, and it's giving me the signal to enter. I will enter on this candle, and you can put the stop loss again here or here, anywhere you want. If you prefer the tighter one here, but I recommend you to put it a little bit lower. I know it's a large stop loss, but we always go for the 2RR, so we're not going to catch low moves because it's so hard with this indicator. All right, here's our entry. Let's see what happens. We immediately go into drawdown, and then we're moving higher. Let's see if it triggers our take profit order. Okay, I really like that the green line, the lower band, is keeping up with the price and is providing support. And again, the price has broken above the red one, so this is also a good signal that the momentum is still bullish. Let's see. Okay, you can do two things right now. All right, so you can either exit right here when the price drops below the green band once again for a 1 hour trade. Okay, this really depends on your preferences, and you can wait for the price and see what happens. You can of course set your stop loss to break even anytime you want, or even leave your stop loss and wait for the price to either hit your TP or your stop loss. Okay, so let's see. All right, our stop loss got hit. I think this is a news candle. Yes, it's 8:30 New York AM session. So here's a loss, a 1% loss. And right now, this is the second window I will trade, right from 8:30 to 12. Right? I'm going to trade before noon. And afternoon, no trades for me. Okay, so let's see what happens. This candle has really shifted things to the bearish side once again, and but first I would like to see that if the price can react to the higher band first and get rejected, then I will enter the market. All right, the price has reached it, but let me see. Okay, this is a rejection and I like it, so I will execute my short position, entry here, and stop loss below the recent above the recent highs. Okay, and here we go for the take profit order. Sorry, and 2-hour trade. All right, and let's see what happens. Again, we're in drawdown and the price is moving. Guys, don't mistake it for a support level. This is only for showing the sessions. All right, so okay, now let's see what happens. It's really going good and it's getting close to our TP. All right, okay, this is a warning signal. Again, you can exit right here as soon as the price reverses and breaks above the higher band, or you can wait. All right, let's see if the trend is really reversing to the upside or not. Okay, it seems like it's consolidating, and I think it got our TP hit. Yes. Okay, this one took a long time, but of course it's a win. So as you can see, I've entered here after the price has reacted to the higher band, and it's really important, guys, to set your stop loss above a recent low, above a recent high or below a recent low, and give the price some breathing room. Okay, and here it is. So thank you, guys. This was the overall gist of trading using the Fractal Chaos Bands, and I hope you like it. But of course, using these indicators and these kind of indicators alone can be troublesome for some of us, so you can use them with other tools. For example, I use my own knowledge of price action and to trade these, and you can also apply price action, apply ICT concepts, whatever you want. I know that ICT doesn't like indicators, but whatever, do what you gotta do. And of course, you can also use support and resistance lines, or for example, the RSI or moving averages even. I don't know, whatever you prefer. I just wanted to show you how the fractal chaos bands work, and what is a strategy that you can use for some consistent small gains from the markets using this indicator. Thank you guys, and see you next time.